Hey guys, Neve here from Ratfish.
Yeah, and I'm Max.
We're here in the sewers of Atlantic City, New Jersey. We got an interesting case, all right? We got this boy.
What do you got, Neve?
Yeah, with he's got a strange foot fetish or something like that. I don't know. He likes to smell a bung. But he's been talking to this special lady in his life, and
yeah.
He told me he keeps talking to her and they keep asking to meet up, but either his diarrhea gets in the way because he's got bad diarrhea, or she just doesn't want to meet him.
Man, well, let's see what we got going on here.
Why don't we head on in and meet the man himself?
Ooh.
This is a pretty nice apartment. I didn't know they had this around here, you know?
Yeah, I usually have a paper bag.
We're in an apartment.
All right.
So here at the house, it's kind of strange the door's already open. Hello? Oh, sorry. Oh, Jesus, didn't mean to intrude on you. What's up?
Hey.
Hey, are you Max and Neve?
Yeah, Creel,
Caleb, but
good
to meet
Steve,
you.
I'm glad we could finally meet. This one I'm really passionate about. I think it's a good story. I think we're gonna help you out here, but I know the beginning of what's going on. Give me the deets, huh?
Well, so I met Anita a while ago on Facebook, and she initially started out by really just wowing me with her looks and her funny, insightful posts.
Of course.
Just talking about, things that I care about, right? So it's just been a great opportunity talking to her, and I think, honestly, I might be falling in love, and so I got in touch with you guys because it's not all sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows.
That's what I was waiting to hear.
Yeah, that's what we come for,
Me too.
and arrive here for.
Yeah, I'm sorry you had to see that. I was actually on her profile looking at some of the pictures she posts. Maybe you should check it out later. But
of course.
Yeah, so what was the first sign of it?
Recently,
What's the first sign of it being weird?
Well, first off, we've never actually been able to meet up. I wanted the big reveal to be special, so I figured I'd put it on nationalistic TV.
Yeah.
And, everyone could be out with their cellular phones and taking videos of me meeting the love of my life. My concerns really started, I guess, when I asked to hang out. And so I have IBS. Okay, whatever. Go ahead and laugh. It's fine. I said I was going to do this interview.
I talk about this, Caleb.
Craig. Come on in.
Frogs.com. Get your frogs.
Frogs.com.
Two for the price of one.
That's frogs.com. Frogs.com, dude. .com.
Let's go check it out, Max.
Yeah, let's see, man.
Hey, Trevor.
It's Caleb.
Yeah, Craig. Is everything all right in there?
You guys promised.
I know. I'm sorry. I just get a little carried away sometimes. It's just get nervous or geez, sorry.
You swear?
I swear. I swear. Hey, it's all right.
Okay.
We're gonna find out who did this to you.
Listen, how about we message her right now? We can ask her if she wants to hang out.
No one's gonna talk about your IBS.
I've just been so nervous.
No one's gonna mention it.
It's all right. Listen, hey, come here.
Oh.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
All right, so we're back here. We got Caleb back in the hot seat.
Sorry.
So
I needed a break. Okay. I mean, you guys know how this goes. It's. I'm gonna text her right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Send her a message.
Yeah. All right.
You got it. Okay.
Just send that right now.
You sure?
I'm sure, dude.
All right, guys.
She'll respond right away.
Ooh, what's gonna happen? What's gonna? Oh, she's typing.
Oh my God! Here we go.
Okay.
she's sending it.
Oh, hey, Sweet Pea. Kind of stuck at work right now. Big Rhea clump came in, got us strained. That chungus. How's after I clock out?
Oh, that's promising,
That's
dude.
promising. I could go meet her. Yeah, I don't know if she's still at work. Honestly, like I've been shot her a lot of money recently. You know, $1,500. I think just the other day. She doesn't have to be at work anymore. You know?
Wait, you're sending her money?
That's a big no-no.
Oh, all right. You probably should have told me that earlier. It's probably about 45 grand now.
All right.
Maybe we'll get to the bottom of this, all right? And then you won't have to send her any more money, okay? Won't have to worry about if she's ever going to meet up with you, all right? We're here for you.
I'd like to believe that.
Listen, stay strong, Mike.
Caleb. Okay.
Listen, we're going to go back to home base. We're going to start hacking the mainframe, see what's going on with her, figure out if we can see if she's a real person or not, right?
I know she's real.
Well,
She's real
I
to
don't fucking
me.
know about that, but you know, whatever.
Look, rap fish that we did. But what do you think? I mean, let's go back.
I don't know, man.
Let's check out the reverse search and hack in
Right.
to the mainframe like we always do.
Good thing we
And
brought our whole station with us. I think he's in pain. I don't know
Yeah.
if that's from the IBS or from the woman, probably the former, but you know, I understand, whatever.
Yeah.
Come on.
Did you think it was hot in there?
Like, the tension? Or you mean the, or him?
What? Check out our results. He sent us over some
Let's
links
hack.
for the Facebook. Yeah, let's hack.
Oh, God. Just don't even, here, wait a second.
Hey, focus on what
Oh.
we're doing. What we're doing.
Okay, here,
Watch
all
it
right.
later.
So this is Anita. We found her Facebook page. I'm pretty sure this very sexy woman. I can understand why. What's his name? Greg is so into her. I mean, just look at those lips. You always got to work on the lips. Okay, that's the best part. The lips. Okay, got some nice sausage links here, so we're learning a little bit about her. There.
Ooh, wait.
There's
Caleb.
yeah. There's Caleb.
Hey, she posted about him.
I know, yeah,
That's
so-
promising.
Something's going on here for real. Well, this is a. Okay.
See,
Whoa.
Caleb is liking all of these.
Yeah, I can see that.
So he must be,
Into the slug feet or
Yeah.
something, Oh, This might have something, we might
Yeah,
be able to
you
take
might-
something from this, huh?
I'd say you go with
Doppelganger?
that, the slug feet pick.
Yeah, and then
one
we'll
of
save
these.
one of these bad boys.
Yeah, and we'll
And,
hack those right into
reverse,
the mainframe.
the classic Google reverse image search.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's watch. Let's see.
Great night with my friends.
Is that supposed to be her?
I don't know.
Look at this here.
Oh.
The penis.
We got no hits.
Yeah, so that means it's got to be legit. This isn't just fake stuff here. Now let's do
Yeah.
the profile picture.
Sure. All right, our second image is loading up. It's the profile pic. So-
We know that.
All right, we know that lead.
Shit!
Maybe try that slug feet pic. Maybe one last one. Maybe we get any leads. That's a hit. It could
Wow.
be. Ooh.
Looks like this is fake shit, huh? Looks like she's either lying for attention or maybe she's just trying to get with Caleb here because we know he likes feet.
Hey, welcome to the Santa Monica Pier Fruit Stand, man. Hey, I am here. My name is Stan. Fruit. Straight off of the coast of China. I'm telling you, look at this stuff. Get any better. So yeah, send it to your family for the holidays. No longer will you have to worry about your kids eating terrible food like meat. Meat's poison. See? Milk it just like a dog. We only sell the highest quality fruits and vegetables sourced sustainably from your friends over the Pacific Ocean. And I'm not talking about Hawaii, am I right?
All right, so we did some digging, all right, and I think she's a real person, so we're gonna try to meet her. Luckily, Caleb is nice enough to give us a key to his apartment. Yeah, he trusts us. Jeez, dude. Caleb, we're here. Where are you?
Caleb, hello, where are you?
Oh, I think he's in the toilets. His IBS is acting up again.
Yeah, where else? I mean, don't
Mind if we come in? Use your key.
Whoa.
This is Caesar. I got him at the Asian market.
What a cutie.
$5.99 per pound. That's nearly slavery.
Does it bite?
Yes. So watch the fuck out.
Okay. Jeez.
We got important news, man.
Yeah, listen. We did some digging. All right. We found out through Google reverse image search that all the pictures of herself are real. Okay, so you're talking to a real girl, a real person.
Now, Caleb,
Yeah.
those feet that you love so much,
Yeah.
not real, man.
I will remember you.
Yeah, so those
We
aren't her
found
real
those
feet.
in a feet video.
I was wondering how all of her 2 feet looked so different.
You should meet with her. Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah, well, tomorrow. Tomorrow.
We'll get in touch with her and we'll set up a time and meet, probably in like a park or a
You know,
lot.
something nice. Something.
To meet
It's either
her.
going to be her or it's not going to be her. You know, that's what my dad always used to say to me. So, we're going to give her a call. All right? Got her number right here from you, obviously. We're going to give her a call. We're going to see if she's okay. We're going to give her an interview first.
I don't know, guys. I haven't ever heard her voice before.
I
I don't
think
think
about
I can
No,
do
you- Did you ever need a new bike? Cause fuck up.
I need to cut the commercial.
Well, I find for the support. All right, you ready, Caleb? All right, we're going for the call, okay? Hello?
Well, that's just like I imagined.
I say we try again, maybe.
This is Anita.
Oh, hey Anita, we were giving you a call. We're Max and Neve here with your your good your sweet lover boy.
Oh,
Yeah, we just wanted to call you to see if you wanted to meet up for an interview with the two of us, just to kind of see what's going on, like why you don't want to meet him and whatever. I promise he won't be there. It'll just be the two of us. We'll keep it nice and simple.
okay.
All right, maybe tomorrow or later today. What do you think, huh?
Yeah, I like that. I like the sound of that.
Okay,
Maybe
well,
we could meet up later today.
okay. Where are you thinking? Where are you thinking?
There's a nice vacant parking lot that I usually go to hang out.
Okay. All right. Well, just text us the address at this number we called you with, and we'll meet you there. Okay. How about 4:30?
4:30 sounds good to me. All right.
All right. See you later, sweetums.
All right.
Here we are. This is the spot. They said it's a nice Arby's. All right. Here we go. I'll pull up.
All right.
I'll go grab them really fast.
All right, I'll
Just
wait
hang out
here. Yeah. Set that up for the viewers. Whoa!
Here she
Hello, I'm
is.
Anita.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm glad we could meet you here in this Arby's parking lot. I
This
am
is
a
my
big fan.
favorite place. My favorite place to hang out.
What do you like
to get at the Arby's?
I like to get the roast beef reef sandwich
Okay.
with corn.
Right,
My
I
own
understand.
beef reef to get roasted.
All right. I usually just bring my bung here. Business. Okay. What are your intentions with Caleb here?
He's a really, really cute man.
I agree.
And I just feel like there's something about him that I want.
Right.
Right. So why do you want to meet him? Why do you want to? You always seem like you're kind of dodging the
Yeah.
question, you know.
Well, I just don't think that, maybe he might not like me like
Well, that's
that.
not true.
Hey,
We saw
Anita.
his messages. He clearly likes you.
Anita, you think that we're idiots? We've been in the game.
No, I just don't know how to say it.
Say it.
Say what?
I guess I'm just putting up a little bit of a front.
All right.
I guess we'll have to do it.
Get out of the car.
Get out of my goddamn car. Get the fuck out.
Jeez.
The nerd. All right, so we're here at Caleb's apartment. We had a good meeting with Anita, and we're ready. He wants to meet her.
Door's open again.
Door's always open here.
Caleb, are you
Caleb.
the butt plug out again or?
Hello?
Holy shit.
Whoa, the place has been ransacked. Oh my gosh, what could have happened? Caleb, what's this on the floor? No shit, knee.
Shit. That's real, all right.
What? What could it be? What could it mean?
Caleb's IBS has acted up. He must have been scared.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
taking him. We gotta get out of here.
Quick.
Fuck, shit. Where do you think you went? Kmart. That was awesome.
Oh shit, there they are.
There they are. Oh, fuck. Wait a second. This looks kind of romantic, man. Maybe we'll just watch from afar. Maybe they just had some rough-ass sex in that apartment of his, and now they're just hanging out. Huh. See if we can listen in.
Think they notice?
I don't think he knows. Something's going on. This is like, I think I've heard about this in the Kama Sutra.
Oh, you read about it?
I think I did.
Yeah. Sure.
Look at him, he's like kind of
Wow.
got his head back.
Pretty wild.
Jesus.
I mean, can't say I wouldn't try it.
I mean, I wish I was him right over there right now.
Yeah. Which one?
Both.
What's he doing? What's he doing?
Oh shit!
What's going on? Yo, what's going on? Oh my god. Hey, get out of here, Jesus. Caleb.
I am trying to give CPR, but it's too slippery.
Oh my gosh, this is the worst catfish I've ever seen.
Hold on, watch this.